Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gear and gadgets. Today, we're reviewing the best 2014 Ram 1500 front bumper available right now. The YZONA pickup truck front bumper. Let's get right into what makes this bumper a standout choice. At first glance, the YZONA front bumper impresses with its aggressive, rugged styling. But this isn't just about looks. This bumper is built from high-strength carbon steel and finished in a two-stage black powder coat. That means it's resistant to rust, corrosion, and impact damage. Even if the coating gets scratched in rough conditions, the core strength of this bumper holds up under pressure. Now let's talk features. You get a fully integrated 12,000-pound winch plate. Whether you're on an off-road adventure or helping someone out of a ditch, that winch plate is a game-changer. It also includes two internally and externally welded D-ring shackle mounts, capable of handling up to 4.75 tons each. That adds serious towing and recovery potential to your truck. Lighting is another area where this bumper shines, literally. It comes pre-installed with one 120-watt LED spotlight, plus four 18-watt LED spotlights. That means you're getting powerful illumination built right into the bumper, perfect for night driving or off-road navigation. Just a heads up, the bumper doesn't include the extension harnesses for connecting the lights, so you'll need to grab those separately. Another practical touch, it includes a license plate bracket and pre-drilled backup sensor holes. However, those sensor holes are not compatible with the original factory sensors. If you want to retain that functionality, you'll need to install aftermarket sensors or modify accordingly. Installation is as straightforward as it gets for a bumper of this size. It's a fully bolt-on installation, no drilling or cutting required. YZONA provides all the necessary screws and clear instructions in the box. That said, because of the weight and wiring involved, professional installation is recommended unless you're experienced with auto upgrades. We also have to highlight the customer support. YZONA backs this product with a 2-year factory warranty and lifetime customer service support. That kind of coverage is rare in the bumper world and adds peace of mind to your purchase. Whether you're customizing your daily driver or prepping your truck for off-road work, this bumper gives you everything you need: strength, utility, and lighting, all in one package. That wraps up our in-depth look at the YZONA front bumper for the Ram 1500. If you're serious about upgrading your front end protection and style, this bumper checks every box. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more expert gear breakdowns. See you in the next video.